In this video, I will show you how to get a reset button on Block Blast. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Block Blast on your device and select a game mode from here. Click on your preferred game mode, and once you're in the game, go ahead and drag a few blocks and play this game before you can find a reset button at the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. And to be able to reset this, go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen represented by this gear icon, and this will pop up on your screen. Click on that replay button to be able to reset your game progress, and that will allow you to reset your game progress on Block Plus, and that is how you can simply reset or get a reset button on Block Plus. The replay button will allow you to reset your current game progress. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give it a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.